Hi guys, welcome to this new video. We meet again to test 3 chargers I got from Skygle. So here's the one for the Mavic 2 Pro and Zoom, and I will test here the Phantom 4 one since my drone is a Phantom 4. So it's provided with 3 cables and the charger, of course. The charger, as you can see, can charge at the same time 3 batteries. It's made in aluminum, it's quite heavy, but it seems very solid, so all you need to do is to plug one of these 3 cables in the charger and we'll see within a few seconds how it does work. So I just plugged my battery and connected it to the charger, and everything is working normally. The battery is charging. I'll still have 2 spots left to charge all the batteries. As you can see, the green line is also, everything is working, and I also have 2 spots to charge devices through USB. On the left you get a fan which is actually running, so the charger won't hit that much, and it's pretty solid. I think I will use it a lot. The charger would have been perfect if it only has its own battery and you charge it, go outside, do drone stuff, and then you still have extra power to charge your drone once the battery is fully discharged. As I said, I also got 2 other chargers, the same one for Mavic 2 Pro and Zoom, so the package is quite the same except that the charger is blue. It's quite hard to put it at one hand, but the functionalities are the same. You can charge 3 batteries at the same time, 2 devices through USBs. Let's get him out. So here it's this blue. It's pretty cool in blue. I think I do prefer it in blue, but you know I'm a blue lover, so pretty cool one. And the other one from Skygle, you can see here, is a charger that you could use in your car and you can charge at the same time. Let's get it out of its package. So what we want, and it's quite difficult, but here it is. So as I said, all you need to do is to take this and plug it into your car. So it's quite universal, so you all have this kind of plug in your car, and you can charge 2 batteries at the same time using your car. So that's pretty cool when you're driving and you're abroad, and I think I would love to get that one for the Phantom 4. Here are these 3 chargers again. As you guys know, I don't own any Mavic 2 Pro Zoom, so what I want to do is to give these 2 chargers away. So go check my feed on Instagram to enter this giveaway and try to get one of those. Stay tuned.